Samantha, why do you have to take a bite of each piece of cheese? Try them all out.
Lola.
Where's Lola?
No.
Where's Lola?
Lola. Ham.
Ham, very good. And cheese? And cracker? You gotta try each cracker, huh?
Look.
Cracker.
Look.
They're all the same.
Look.
Oh, you didn't try that piece of ham yet, did you? I think I learned my lesson. One at a time. Do you like ham?
Yeah.
Do you like crackers? You already bit that cracker. Now you have 4 crackers bit.
Look.
Oh, you didn't try that cheese. You didn't try that cheese yet, did you? You didn't try that ham yet. I had them all nice sandwiches. Is that good? Is that yummy?
Look.
You have a cracker in your hand. Now what are you going to do? You're going to have your sippy cup with your Capri Sun? Do you like Capri Suns? Are you going to eat all of this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you got to try another piece of ham.
Look.
Oh, you didn't try that piece of cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. What's next? Oh, that cheese already has a piece. What is in your mouth that is crunching? Do you like ham and cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, that bite's not big enough, huh? Chew it all good. All right, the straw came out.